Very good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are very fine. Today we are going to continue the next part of chapter 6 in EVS class. The name of the chapter, Water is Precious. Earlier we talked about water is very important for us. We need water to live, and water is the basic need of all living beings. Animals need water to drink, plants need water to make their food, and we talked about uses of water also. We use water for washing clothes, cleaning house, watering plants. Animals drink water for bathing, for cooking, for drinking, and animals bathing also. Today we will discuss about sources of water. How do we get water? What are the sources? Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Rain water fills up rivers, streams, lakes, and ponds. As you can see in the picture, river, lake, streams, these are the natural sources of water. The water is collected in rivers, streams, and lakes with rain. The water which can we see on the surface of earth is called surface water. The rainwater seeps into the ground and the water is called groundwater. And groundwater can be dug out from wells and pumps. In taps we get water, in wells we also get water, but these are man-made sources. Rivers, rain, stream, lakes, these are natural sources. Now we will talk about drinking water. Drinking water should be clean and pure. When we want to drink water, we don't use dirty water because it is not able to drink. So, water from rivers, lakes, and ponds, it comes very dirty. It contains germs and other harmful particles, and if you drink it, you may fall sick. So we can make water clean and germ free by these purifiers which we are using in our homes, in our offices. These kind of purifiers make the water clean. And the other process to make water clean is boiling water. When we boil water it for 20 minutes, then it will be clean and germ free. So boiled water is very safe for drinking. We can get safe water from purifiers and with the boiling process. Now next is, you can see in this picture, the water is boiling on the gas stove. It will be boiled for 20 minutes, then it will be germ free. So we can drink water. Next is saving water. Water is very precious. We should not waste water. We should store water in clean vessels, drums, bottles, and mugs. We should turn off the faucet, means water tap, when washing our hands. If we are using water while brushing our teeth, so we should not waste water. If we are going to wash our hands, then we should turn off the water. When the hands will be washed, then you will turn off the faucet. Saving water is very important. How we can save water? With the different methods, with the different process in our daily routine, we can save water. Saving water in bathroom. How we can save? Turn off tap while brushing teeth. It is the first most important method. Take shorter baths. Don't waste water while bathing. If you are using unnecessarily water, it will be waste. Turn off tap while applying soap. If you are going to use soap and your water tap is on, then please turn off. Turn off tap after each use. Don't flush tissue paper or waste into the toilet. It will be also not safe for saving water. Make every drop of water count. Don't waste the water. Wash full loads of clothes. When people use washing machines for washing clothes, they should not use washed clothes in little amount. They should use full loads for clothes. Take shorter showers. Turn off taps. Fix all leaky taps. If the tap is leaking at home or at in bathroom or at any place, so please try to repair it. Water your plants with watering can. Use a bucket for car wash. So children, by these methods we can save water and we can save our earth. We need water. We cannot use sea water for drinking, domestic purpose or agriculture, because the sea water is salty. It is not for our use. So children, please try to save water so we can live happily. If we are trying to not save water, it's mean our future will be also not safe. So children, today we learned lot of things about water. You will read the chapter thoroughly and you will complete given exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.